Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add Discord to Spotify. So first of all, open your Discord apps. Now I'm showing you a very simple method step by step. So follow my all process very carefully. If you don't have Spotify account, now I'm showing how to create Spotify account and add to Discord. So click onto profile, tap onto setting icon, click onto connection, tap on add, select the Spotify, now shown here two options. If you have already account on Spotify, just log in here, or if you don't have the Spotify account, create your Spotify account from here using Google, Facebook or Apple. Scroll down, click on sign up for Spotify. Enter your email address. Enter your strong password. Follow these rules. Tap onto next. Select your name, date of birth, select man or woman, tap onto next. Click on sign up. Click on to agree. Okay, now successfully create an Spotify account and connect a Discord to Spotify. So go back. Now I'm opening Discord account again. Okay, look at the Spotify account connection successfully. So that's how you can easily connect Discord to Spotify.